What's going on YouTube? Today we are going to be working on the CRX again. Today we are going to be installing a new hood release cable. Well needed. I'm getting tired of popping that hood with a pair of pliers. Very annoying. While I'm in there, I'm probably going to take this headlight out here because it rattles when the car's idling. Just makes the car sound like complete doo-doo. So before all that goes down, please like and subscribe. Could use the subscribers. It will help me out. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, first thing is I'm going to pop the hood. Trusty pliers to do this because it's broken. Hopefully after this I won't need a pair of pliers to open my hood again. Alright, next. Alright, for some reason my camera cut off while I was taking the front bumper support off. But yeah, it's off. Now I can remove the hood release cable. I can you want to remember what route it goes. I mean, I'm sure you can route it some other way, but I like to try to keep it the way it came from factory or close to it. So I'm going to undo it from this side, unroute it, then I'm going to tape the end of the new one on the inside and be able to pull it through the car. So I'm not spending half the day under the dash trying to fish it through. I'm going to try not to have to drop the latch. Plus I'm going to leave this all apart for when I go do the wire tuck. It's probably going to be in the next few videos will be a wire tuck. How I go about it. One thing at a time. Now your new hood release cable might not come with these clips that help it fasten to the car, so I'm going to want to reuse these. I'm going to need a flathead screwdriver popping out. Little tabs on each side, you just push in, pop right out. Take this new one out and let's go into the cabin. Alright, normally inside your car there's going to be 2 bolts holding this bracket in place. I already removed mine like a couple months ago, but you undo those 2 bolts, drop this down, and you can unhook it from the slot in here inside your lever, and you can pull the whole thing through. I'm just going to leave this all attached to the new cable and use the new stuff. Now I'm going to take the new cable to the old cable and I can just pull right through. Don't need to go too crazy with it. Alright, that's attached. Now on the outside of the car I'm going to remove the grommet that seals the cable from going into the car. Then I'm going to pull it. Alright, this is the grommet I'm talking about right here. Just pop that out and just hopefully you can just pull it up and through. This is one of those jobs. There we go. Sorry, snag on something. This is one of those jobs where sometimes it's easier if you got a second set of hands, but you can do it without it. Sometimes. There we go. And voila, there's the new cable. It's not rocket science. It's quite easy. Now I can get rid of this electrical tape. Oh, that's not good. Still good. Hold on through. Now before I pulled the new one through, I removed the rubber grommet it came with. Now I'm going to put it back on. Now, this is backwards. You want the Now I put this going into the car, and then it catches the ridge and into the hole, seals it off. That's sealed. Alright, at this point I'm going to bolt the latch actually to the car so I can get the correct distance of wire coming out, so I can clip it right to the chassis. So I put the camera in the car so you can see where the bolts are. Basically, you're going to want it, there's a hole here and one there. I think the stock ones actually utilize this little center hole for a guide, but this is aftermarket. I don't think it, no, it doesn't have one. But I'm going to start with I guess the top one. Let's see how this works out. Okay, that's in there. Alright, now we'll go to the outside and finish it up. Now we want to start routing the cable through the car how it was before. Like I said before, you want to reutilize these clips. A lot of times these cables won't come with them, so try not to break them and reuse them. Alright, at this point I'm going to put the latch back in. Now when you're messing with this center, you might throw off your adjustment for your hood. So it's is flimsy metal, so you might have to tweak it to get it to line up as it was before, which I'm sure I'm going to have to. Every time I take this front end apart, I have to tweak the hell out of it. Sometimes you might not have to. Alright, that should do it. Let's test it out. Latch feels good. See from here, it's moving nice. See the hood closes. Might have to adjust. Now the question is, does it pop? Oh, perfect. Heck yeah. No more pliers to open my hood. This isn't touching. Got some distance. That will do. Alright, next thing I'm going to tackle today is fix this headlight. If you look closely, a little bit of movement inside there. It's making it rattle. And when it rattles, it hits the turn signal right here a little bit, and it's so annoying. So I gotta go through my stockpile, see what headlights I have to fix this. Time to dip into the goodness of my stockpile of headlights and markers and all that stuff. Let's see what we got. I think we got a part in there we could use. Should be. Alright. Got this headlight out of my stockpile. This is a 90 to 91. Reason being is the corner light attaches to here, and then there's a little tab it slides into, and there's clips on the bumper. And just, if you have a 90 to 91, you know what I'm talking about. But this one, I don't have a 90 to 91. Plus, this is already missing a few pieces. But this piece is nice and solid, and it's the same as this one. And this one is super loose and making all kinds of noises. So I'm going to rob this piece and put it on here, and hopefully that will fix my wiggle problem. Voila, got that piece. Now after doing this, you're obviously going to have to readjust your headlights. I'm going to use that one that wiggles when I put that in here. You never know. Might get a car to flip and it might be a 90 to 91, and I could use this still just to flip it. Should be in the general area I need it. And no more wiggle. I don't know why this, for some reason when I put this one in, it doesn't wiggle no more. Maybe there's a piece of dirt under it. It's like holding it in place. I don't know. But I know it was worn out. It was doing it for years. But this one, yeah, it's good to go. Alright, I'm going to put it in the car loosely because I might have to remove it to snake the wires for the wire tuck. I'm not 100% sure how exactly I want to pull it off. So, but yeah, the headlight is fixed. Alright YouTube, that's it for today. So we installed a new hood release cable, and we fixed the driver's side headlight. Next, I believe I'm going to be doing a wire tuck. Start doing the wire tuck. I'm going to start with the driver's side and work my way over to the passenger side. Passenger side obviously gets way more involved. It's just way more involved. So if you like what you're seeing so far, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Till then, till next time, take it easy, and I hope you have a good day and a Merry Christmas.